Hey y'all, what's up? I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me. It's been a lot going on, y'all. It's really been a lot going on. And I'm just starting to get my appetite back. So I just stopped by Hardee's. I'm on my way to my mama's house. Well, y'all, I'm trying to get in traffic right now. I was trying to not get on here until I can hold a conversation without crying. But yeah, me and my family world has been turned upside down. Truly, upside down. On April 3rd, I lost my dad. Yeah, he was my best friend. I talked to my dad about everything. He talked to me about everything. There was no limit what we would talk to each other about. Y'all, I promise. I just feel like a piece of me died with him. Y'all, I'm the strong one in the family. But y'all, this broke me. Y'all, it hurts so bad. Like, I don't think I ever felt pain like this when you lose somebody. It's crazy. And then it seemed unreal. It's like he's supposed to be here. Like it's just so weird for him not to be here. Yes, he had medical issues, but he usually just, when something like this happened, when their mom had to call the EMS if he having breathing problems, he usually they come get him, take him to the hospital, give him some antibiotics, some medicine, give him breathing treatments, and then he's back home. Now I'm just trying not to cry. But y'all, he didn't make it back home this time. And it hurts. It hurts because we had a routine every day, multiple times a day. I would FaceTime them, I would call them, and he's there. He's cracking jokes or talking to me or something. And now my daddy is gone, and it's like, you know, you have to move on because he's not here. But then on the other hand, you don't want to move on because you don't want to do anything without him. My birthday is Sunday. My dad is not here, so I don't even feel like celebrating my birthday. And that's just how I feel. That's just the feeling that I have. I got to the point where I didn't even want to go back to work. I was just almost just literally just ready to just quit my job. And if I was financially stable, or my husband could handle it on his own, I wouldn't have went back to work. I just wouldn't. That's how I feel, so broken inside. I feel so hurt. And it's crazy, y'all. At least my appetite coming back. And that just happened last night. I've been nibbling at stuff for weeks now. I mean, it got to the point where I don't think I was drinking enough, eating enough. My lips was turning all white. It felt like I had windburn, but it was just on the outside of my lips. And then once we figured out what the heck was going on, then I was like, okay, so I need to try to eat more. I need to try to drink water. And that's the only way my mouth started to go back to normal. Because when you get windburn, it's on your actual lip. This was just right here, and it looked crazy. I don't know, y'all. This too much. But I'm headed to my mama's house. I think I've been going to mama's house every day. Yeah, we've been going every day. I just don't want her to be alone. She's not alone. My cousin is there. And Travis is there. And my nieces live there. Yeah, it's just like, when does the hurt stop? When does the brokenness go away? I think I still cry every day. Because sometimes I find myself wanting to call him. Or I sit and wonder, like, my dad ain't called me today. What's his problem? You know? I know that might sound crazy. But yeah, when I say this just feels, it don't feel real. It just don't feel real. I kind of feel like he on vacation or something. Or he just done left us. But I did take a picture of him. And the other day I looked at it and I was like, yep. It's real, baby girl. Daddy is not coming back. Nope. Y'all, it's just so hard to believe my daddy is gone. My cousin told me just pray to God to help me to cope with it, because the pain is gonna never go away. Man, the bond me and my daddy had is crazy. When I say we talk about everything, I really mean everything. Everything you can think of that you talk about with your friend, I talked about with my daddy and my mama. Me, my mama, and my daddy, we have our own bonds. And my daddy was the lookout man. He used to tell me when mama doing something she ain't got no business. When she ain't walk away on her cane, when she fall, he tell me. Who gonna tell me now? He will help her find everything. Now I got to go find everything for her. I don't mind. But yeah, I just want to come on right quick. I know the video probably look kind of crappy, but I was was going to get something to eat. So I figured I'd pop on, since I actually have an appetite today. Yeah, I've never felt like this. This is a part of you is gone. A huge part of me is gone. A huge part of me is just feel like you're just dead on the inside. But I told my mama, we just gonna love on her harder. And if we ever leave the house, because we have to go to work, but if she ever gets lonely, and we're not there, you just come on over. Because she don't have to be home by herself. Y'all tell me, how do y'all get through the grieving process? So this was rough. This was bad. At least the crying. At least I don't cry that much anymore. I think I had probably 2 breakdowns today at work. I'm glad I work from home because they'll be like, oh my God, you okay? I'm like, I'm not okay. I'm so blessed to have the family I have and the friends that I have to tell me, you know, it's okay. It's okay not to be strong right now. It's okay to cry. It's okay to feel pain. And it's okay to grieve. That, you know, you don't have to be strong all the time for everybody. Let that out. Cry. Whatever you need to do to get through the grieving process, you need to do it. And that's what I've been trying to do. But then I get mad at myself because I keep crying. And I just try to keep telling myself, like, you know, you're okay. It's okay. You know, your daddy is resting now. Like, all the problems he had, he don't have them anymore. My cousin, she been, bless her heart, she been trying to tell me how to, you know, to kind of include him in things that we didn't get a chance to do. Because it's my birthday, so my husband and I was going to go to Atlanta. But we was also going to plan a trip to Destin, Florida. So my dad would, so it won't be such a long drive. Figure we can go that far, and he should be okay. We ain't make it, y'all. He ain't make it. But my cousin was telling me, she was like, okay, so, because my dad is getting cremated. We might have them, they might be ready today or tomorrow. His ashes may be ready. But she said, what she told me to do was, wherever it was that we was going, she said, just just take his ashes with you. And it'll be like he's there. But the thing is, I can't trick my mind. I just can't trick my mind and take in the ashes. Cause that's what it is. It's a mind thing. You're taking the ashes with, like, he's not going with me. He can't see nothing. He can't see Travis at the beach for the first time, making his sand castles. He can't see that in the physical. You know what I'm saying? I miss going every time I go to my parents' house. I just go lay on my dad. Big as I am, I would just go lay on my daddy, kiss on my daddy, hug on my daddy, fuss with Travis back and forth about who daddy is who, and all this kind of stuff. And we can't do that anymore, and that hurts me. That was fun for me. It's fun for my dad to call me, and when he think I'm ignoring him, he'll try to hang up on me real quick, but say I love you at the same time. Y'all just, like, I have voicemails, and I think they all start off with, "This your daddy. I don't want nothing. I was just calling you. Love you. Call me back when you get this." Oh, and one it said, "Hey, this your daddy. I ain't want nothing." I think he kind of giggled. He said, "I was just calling to get my medicine." So I told my mama, because the day before he died, I came over. Thank God for my husband, because he told me, he said, I had a rough day at work that Friday. It was bad. I was like, oh my God, I don't want to do this. But he was going to chill with his cousin. He was like, go to Joy House. I said, nah, I'm not driving that temper traffic on no Friday food. And then he was like, well, go to your mama's house. I said, I might just lay down. I don't know. But then I thought about it, and I called Mama, and I said, what y'all doing? She said, me and Travis finna go to Walmart. So I was like, okay, I'm coming. Y'all wait for me. So I didn't go in the house. I just jumped out of my car and got in the car with Mama, because she was already ready to roll out. So when we ran the little errand and got back home, I went and spoke to my daddy. He was laying down or whatever. And then when I was getting ready to leave, he was trying to do something, and then I seen him standing up by the dresser, and he was on the little breathing treatment thingy. So is that my memory? Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm stopped now. I'm at my mama's house. Well, actually, I'm over my grandparents' house. The big house, as Travis called it. But yeah, it's been a hard process. But me and my mama, we wanted to keep it simple. He always told us, don't go spending out a lot of money. Don't do none of that. So his coat, he liked the black and red, and he liked the money green, but nobody finna put no green in nothing. But he had a new suit in the closet he never wore, so we put him on that and went and got him a white shirt to go up under. I made sure he had a wife beater on, and I got one of his wife beaters on now. It just gives me comfort. I would say it gives me comfort. But we tried to make his funeral service as simple as possible, because don't nobody want to sit there in a long, drawn-out funeral. It just hurt worse. I know it's COVID, so a lot of people didn't come, which is okay, because, it's COVID. I don't feel no type of way, people who did come, but it was a lot of people who came by. They showed us much love. And everybody who prayed for us, made sure we was taken care of. I really appreciate y'all. And I know I done broke down in front of a lot of y'all. And some people just not used to me breaking down like that, but my dad, that's my baby, that's my friend. he's not here anymore. But you know, I always be his baby girl. You know, I'm a true daddy's girl, and it hurt. But I'm not gonna cry. I know this is a process, and I know everything is gonna be okay. My daddy is resting. He's resting now, so I have to be okay with that. I can't be selfish, because for my daddy not to fight, for him not to pull through this, that means he was tired. He was tired of living life.